Again, I'm of the opinion that, you can do the quotient rule if you want, but I'm seeing this thing as maybe I should write this in a simpler way, just to start the game. So what do you get over here? The root of x is x to the 1/2. So I'm going to do, it's a monomial divisor. It makes it easy to deal with. So it's really 2 minus half, which is really like 4/2 minus 1/2, which is 3/2. What's the next term going to be? Let's write this down. 3, and that's going to be x. Rules of exponents. It's going to be x to the 1 dividing by the x to the 1/2. So I get x to the 1/2. What's last? You get 9, and then x to the minus 1/2. This is easier for me to differentiate. And what do you get? 3/2 x. Take 1 from the exponent. That would give me 1/2 plus 3/2. Take 1 from the exponent. You're going to get minus 1/2 minus 9/2. You're going to take 1 from the exponent. That's minus 3/2. And by the way, that's a derivative. Right? What I'm going to do, though, is I'm going to factor it. And so why would you factor it? It makes it easier for me to analyze it. And we'll be doing more of that later on in the course. It's a good time to practice. The first thing I'd probably factor out, I'm looking at it, I'm going to say a 3 and a 2, 3/2. I'm going to look at the x's, and you might be surprised with this. I'm actually going to factor out x to the minus 3/2. All right, what do you get? Well, the first term I factored 3/2 out already. Then I got to start thinking about x to what power? Well, I want a half, so that's going to have to be a 2. And the reason for that, 2 is 4/2, and 4/2 minus 3/2 is 1/2. I got the first term. Let's go to the next one. It's plus. I already factored 3/2 out, and now I'm seeing x to the minus 3/2 times what to get to 1/2? I'm going to say it's going to be x now. What's x? It's x to the 1, or x to the 2/2. 2/2 minus 3/2 is minus 1/2. That worked out beautifully. What do you get in the last term? Minus, well, I need a 3, and I've already got the necessary x to the minus 3/2 there. So I'm going to say this is a simple form of it. Again, you could rewrite it differently than that, but that's pretty simple. Look at my answer key. I want to see if I got, this business over here, just simplifying the function. And did I get this business over here, the derivative, so to speak? I did. And did I get the simple form? Yep, everything is working as advertised. Thank you.